The Mahindra Scorpio has been one of the topmost SUVs in the Indian market. It's been ruling the roost for a long time now, and recently Mahindra launched the all-new Scorpio. We have the brand new Scorpio with us, and we'll show you how feature-rich a car it is and how you can access the features best. This is the key of the all-new Mahindra Scorpio. It comes with a remote locking system. This button out here will help you lock the car, whereas the one at the bottom will help you unlock it. The Mahindra Scorpio comes with an adjustable steering wheel. All you need to do is pull down the lever here and the steering can go down and then come up. You can access the wipers from the left hand side of the steering wheel on the stick. Press it down once and the wipers will roll once and clean it. Accordingly, you can alternate the intensity by moving the stick up and even further up ahead. You can also access the rear wiper simply by twisting this knob and then cleaning it up. Mahindra has given the Scorpio a really cool infotainment center, which also comes with a navigation system. To turn it on, you just need to press the knob in here and it comes to life. Once you're on to that, just press on the home button to choose what option you want to access, whether you want to access radio, phone, the car information center, navigation, or you want to move into the settings. Once you click on radio, it shows you an entire list of radio stations that you can choose from, and you can also keep on tuning them according to a radio station of your choice. Press on the phone and it allows you to connect your phone via Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls from the screen itself rather than use your phone. Once you press in info, the system gives you information on the tire pressure, the ref cam and the other alerts, along with the service information that your car would require. Press in the equalizer and you can choose the kind of music you want to listen to depending on jazz, pop, whatever may be your choice. Once you click in the navigation center, the navigation system turns on. You need to press in the magnifying sign out here, set in your destination, and the car will lead you right there. To be honest, we tried using the navigation system and it gives you precise pinpoint direction, which works brilliantly in a crowded country like India. The other buttons out here help you answer calls or reject calls. This button out here will help you select your tuning in case you want to listen to the radio. These buttons out here will help you access the climate control. This is for the blower speed. This is for the temperature. The buttons out here will help you turn on the AC, whether you want it, you don't want it, along with choosing the direction of where you want the wind blower to come. As you go further down the infotainment center, you have the light button here, you have the hazard lights out here, as well as the windscreen button here. Click on this button once and the windscreen wiper will work once. The only thing what Mahindra has done is they've repeated quite a few buttons here. Things that you will see on the dashboard will be present on your steering wheel as well, and in some other knick-knack forms as well. In order to access the Bluetooth on the Scorpio, click phone here and it will bring the entire Bluetooth menu in front of you. Click on pairing setup and at the same time ensure that the Bluetooth on your phone is turned on. Click on discoverable or add a device. Now since my phone is already connected, all I need to do is click on phone. Once that's done, make sure you turn on the Bluetooth. Click on phone again. Click on pairing setup. Now I can show whether I want my phone's music or the call log to be shown on the screen here. As you can see, I have chosen phone and the music. Once you're done, it's connected. This is the glove box of the Scorpio. Compared to the rest of the car, it's definitely not as spacious as you'd want it to be. The Scorpio comes with passenger side vanity mirrors, as you can see. These are the lights on the Mahindra Scorpio. Turn them on and they light up the cabin brilliantly during darkness. You can also choose the direction in which you want to move the lights. All you need to do is just roll them. Scorpio comes with daytime as well as nighttime internal rear view mirror. When it's pulled out, that means it's to be used during the daytime. Pull it in and you can use it at night to avoid the glare. The Mahindra Scorpio is a tall car, so it's a good thing that it comes with height adjustable driver seats. Pull this lever down to keep going down, or just keep pulling it up for the height to increase. In order to adjust the backrest to your desired position, simply pull this lever and go back or move all the way ahead. The headlights and the fog lamps can be adjusted using this knob here. Turn it on and it will turn on the headlamps, and when you see this inner knob, turn this on and it will turn on the fog lamps. In order to adjust the intensity of the headlamps, you see this button, just keep on rolling it and it will let you know how far do you want the high beam to go. By pressing this button, you can open the fuel lid, and by pressing this one, you activate the windscreen defogger. In order to adjust the mirror, just choose whether you want the left mirror or the right mirror. Once you've done that, you just need to turn the knob so that the mirror keeps on moving either outside or on the inside, or down or up. Once you've got it in the position, just move it back to the center. Now, in order to open the bonnet, there is a small knob out here which needs to pull in. Now, the only problem with this is it's a little on the inside, so you may have to duck. Once you've opened the bonnet from the inside, there's going to be a knob under the hood out here. You need to move it to the left in order to open the bonnet from here. Do that and just lift the hood up. The hydraulic system will automatically raise the bonnet up. Filling in the wiper fluid is relatively easy. You see this yellow cap here? Lift it up and pour in the water and you're sorted.